Imagine walking into your living room, putting on a pair of glasses no heavier than your favorite sunglasses. Suddenly, your entire reality house. You weren't looking at a screen. You were inside the engine. For years, we've been promised a metaverse was coming. We were told that virtual reality would change everything. Let's be honest. Headsets are too heavy. Wrath are too cartoonish. And the experience always felt like a beta test for a future that never quite arrived. That ends today, because according to the deepest leaks from Reality Labs and the supply chains in Taiwan, Mark Zuckerberg is about to pull the trigger on most ambitious piece of consumer electronics since the original iPhone. Welcome to the era of the Meta Quest 4. And just a Quest 3 with a faster chip. A total fundamental reset of what a computer can be. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the moment VR becomes real, this is the video you've been waiting for. Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff and looking at the cold, hard silicon and the revolutionary optics that make Quest 4 for it to every laptop and TV on the market. If you understand why the tech giants in Cupertino are looking over their shoulders, the way the Quest 4 is about to make flat screens via late 1950s black and white television. Let's talk about the breakthrough that changes everything. The Pismo architecture. For the first time, Meta is splitting the Quest 4 into two distinct identities, internally known as Pismo High and Pismo Low, but don't let the low fool you. Even the standard Quest 4 is rumored to feature a 4K Micro-OLED display system. If you've used a Quest 3, you know the screen door effect is mostly gone, but the blacks are still a bit gray, and the colors don't quite pop. Micro-OLED changes the game. We're talking about infinite contrast ratios, QR, deep blacks that make horror games generally terrifying and cinematic experiences look better than an IMAX theater. Imagine watching a movie with the black R's disappear into the shadows of your room, being only a 100-foot vibrant screen floating in your face. A beautiful screen is useless, hot brains to dry. Enter the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3, and just a mobile processor. It's a spatial computing powerhouse built on a 3-nanometer process. Early benchmarks suggest a 50% jump in GPU performance over the Quest 3. But the real magic isn't in the raw speed, it's in the NPU, the neural processing unit. Its chip is designed to handle AI locally. We are talking about AI upscaling that takes a mobile game and makes it look like it's running on high-end PC. It fills in the details, smooths the edges, and tracks your environment with sub-millimeter precision without breaking a sweat or draining your battery in 40 minutes. Speaking of tracking, the Quest 4 is reportedly bringing back the feature we all missed from the Pro, eye and face tracking. With this prime, it's not just for social avatars. Meta is introducing FOV rendering 2.0. The headset knows exactly where your pupils are looking, and it concentrates 100% of its power on that tiny spot. The result? Graphics that look photorealistic because the computer only has to work hard on what you're actually seeing. This is how Meta plans to beat the Apple Vision Pro, by delivering high-end power through efficiency.